Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben in the house. Okay. Thanks a lot for coming through. Welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader and swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I swing trade the crypto markets. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more. So let's look at some charts, and also during the live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. So let's see. My thing said it disconnected, so I'm hoping everything good. Guys, can you hear me good? I don't know. My stream said it was disconnected. I don't know. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't know if that's true or not. So okay, cool. All right, yo, crypto inspo. It was disconnected for 30 seconds. All right, crypto inspo. Did you get to short XRP? Did you get to short it? Because I remember you said you were shorting XRP. Did you get out the trade, or are you still in the trade? So thanks a lot for everybody that coming in. Let me see. Like I said, I didn't go over anything today. I didn't look at no crypto markets or anything. So, I was here day trading. Let me see. Right now, the market cap is at 255. Everything is still slow. The volume still at 4 billion, which is nothing to get excited about. The 4 hour looks like, yes, it looks like we are going to continue to go down. Let me see. In the news, I don't know anything in the news that's great. Basically, Bitcoin posts solid gains to break above 7,000. Solid gains. I don't know about that. This doesn't look like solid gains at all. This is like a green bar. This is why I don't really pay attention to the news at all. But let me see. Oh, you got out? That's good. So shout out to Crypto Inspo. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. And let me see. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Crypto Inspo made money off that XRP short. And let me give everybody a round of applause that's here on that live stream. So guys, be careful out here. I know a lot of people want to buy this area right here, but we might just consolidate. Okay, right, consolidate and then break back down. I know a lot of people think that this is a higher probability trade, or the risk is low. It's a low risk trade because it can shoot up all the way to 10,000. But so basically, let's see if I see anything in the chat room. Shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, Booker? What's going on, Marcus? What's going on, Rufus? Gareth, Shane, NN. I hope everybody here that's doing good. I hope you guys doing good. Good to see you guys. Marcus, Annette, Shane, everybody that's here. Thanks a lot. Mr. S66. Everybody that's here. Yeah, I know. I don't know what's going on with the stream. I might have to restart the computer, but I'm not going to do all that. Not today. Because most likely I'm going to get off here soon. But let me know if it's buffering right now. Is it buffering right now? What's going on, Craig? Okay, that's good. That's good. You said better short than what? Than XR? Than you said better to short than BTC? I don't see a setup on here. I'm looking at the daily chart and I don't see a setup. Um, there's nothing setting up right now with the ZIL. Let me look at any other questions. You say you're waiting for 4-hour resistance for XRP. I hear you. Just make sure, guys, please don't force any trades. You know, I know a lot of people want to get in, but there's always going to be opportunities. You have to understand that. There's always going to be opportunities. Always. So just look for the high quality setups. Booker said I closed my long at 2% gain, opened a short. It fell at this fell double top 1 hour. I hear you, Booker. Let me see. So yes, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna make this a quick stream. So far, everything still looks like it's weak. Let's look at Classic. So Classic, did it get posted? It wasn't was it posted today? Did it get posted today, guys? Ethereum Classic, because it's selling off like crazy. You know, and I told you guys that bought it. I told you guys anybody that bought Ethereum Classic, I told you guys to be careful because this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So as soon as it get listed on Coinbase, don't be surprised if it sells off. Yeah, just be careful with this. That's all I have to say. Be careful with this Ethereum Classic. Sellers is coming in already. What's today's date anyway? I gotta. Oh man, today's the 7th. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, be careful with this. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. Yeah, so all these guys look weak. If you notice that, it's just don't want to go up that much. Looks like it's trying to go down a little bit more. So Ethereum looks like it's trying to hit these lows right here, which is 340. I remember someone asked me, do I think Ethereum is going to see, I think, was it 800 or 1,000 or 900? They asked me that when Ethereum are probably around here, and I told them I don't think Ethereum is going to see 900 again. Okay, no time soon. Put like that. You know, that's why I told you guys, whoever made money off this, I don't know. You know, you guys heard what I said, but whoever made money off this Bitcoin run, I told you guys. You know, of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but it might be good to start taking profits. I know a lot of people was probably waiting for 9,000, and now they probably saying, "Man, I should have took profits there." I know a lot of people was probably waiting for 9,000 to take profits, and this is why I said to you guys that I believe that it's a strong possibility that we won't go back. Like, this is it, because they probably know that, well, they do know that there's a lot of people either want to break even at 9,000 or 10,000. So they probably didn't want to go up that high. So they slammed it right back down. So, we'll see. But the way it's looking right now, it looks like it doesn't want to go right back up at all. No time soon. Most likely we probably hit a new low. And, this is why you have to be very careful when it comes to a bear market. Make sure you take your profits. Because if you listen to the news, you listen to your favorite YouTuber, those people will make you feel like we are in a bull market, okay? Let's say that you didn't listen let's say that you didn't look at the chart at all, okay? Let's say that you didn't look at the chart at all, right? When we went up for like a week and a half or so, and you only listen to YouTubers and the news, you probably thought that Bitcoin was bullish again and we going back to 50K. I mean, going back to 19, 20K. So that's why you can't listen to the news or these crazy YouTubers. You just have to study the chart, take it day by day, stay calm, don't get too excited, take profits when you have profits, especially on the long side. If you're going long, if you're buying the market and you got profits, it's a good thing to take profits. So let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming through. What's going on, Glenn? Randy, did you email me? Because I sent you a message. Because you said that you only got the 4 videos. So email me, and I'll send you a link again. Let me see. I'm reading these questions. We bounce on the market cap, 2 from the building. Think why we showing a lot of green. Yeah, it's a possibility. Most likely we're going to consolidate for a while. Okay, so maybe for, who knows, probably by the end of the week we're going to consolidate. So I expect no crazy movement, but if we do decide to go up from here, our next resistance line is either right here or right here, 75. So around 72, 75, 76 area. But it looks like it don't want to even go up there, but we'll see. I think it wants to just chop around here. You said, is ETC any good to trade? I've been trading BTC. I don't know. What you mean by that? You talking about as in shorting? I hear you, Bima bros. At least you got some profit, Yeah, you can't get emotional, exactly. Not in this game, you can't get emotional. The people that get emotional is the one that you usually lose, okay? They hold. I remember looking at a family. I don't know if these guys sold or what, but I remember seeing a family mortgage their whole house. They was living, I don't know, they was living in a car or a van. And they basically put all their life savings into Bitcoin. So I don't know if they sold at the top, but I guess these guys going to be living in the van for a while, because we don't know when this thing going to turn bullish again, That's why you can't get emotional. You can't just say, guys, I'm going all in. You gotta treat it like a business. This is the only space that I know that people come in here. They think everything is 100% guaranteed. This is the only space I know, man. People saying, "Yo, man, Bitcoin has to go to 100K, or Ripple has to go to $50 or something like that." And people just don't understand. Nothing in this world is 100% guaranteed. That's why you always have to play defense. You always can't go all in. You just can't do that. This is not a video game, okay? Let's see if I see any questions. Yes, hit the likes. Sammy said, do I use any other indicators besides the EMA? Nah, not really, no. I don't use no indicators. When I first started out, I used to. But when I noticed that it really didn't help, then I stopped using it. They usually work better on the daily chart. But other than that, it is what it is. So what kind of van we talking about? I don't know, man. I don't know if they live in a van or what. I remember looking at a story where someone mortgaged and sold everything for Bitcoin. They put all the money in the Bitcoin. It was a family. So I hope those guys is okay. Let me see. Dom said making money on a demo by shorting XRP. That's what's up, man. That's what you have to do. You have to practice. So shout out to you. Crypto Inspo said, I used to be that guy. I didn't know how to read the chart. Shout out to Big Ben course. Take profits. I had to stick to I hear you, man. I hear you. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Shout out to him. You said you saw a document. You saw a documentary on 1920 stock market crash. The way people used to think about the market. Yes, exactly. And Bema Bros. I don't know. Were you here when I actually gave parts different clips of that 1929 crash? Were you here on that live stream? I did a live stream on that. Just because I wanted to show people this stuff is not new. The stuff that's going on right now, it was going on in 1929. Yeah. So, yeah, the stuff that's going on right now is going on in 1929. It's nothing new. So, the way that people act in the crypto world, same way they act back then, close to 100 years ago. And, that's why you just can't get it too excited. So if any of you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's look at XRP. XRP looks like it's trying to go down. It's tough for XRP. I remember listening to some guy, some YouTuber yesterday saying that this is a good buy. He told his subscribers, keep buying. Don't worry, just keep buying. To me, that's reckless behavior. Because this thing could go much lower. Okay, my first thought would be this breakout right here at 29 cents. Sammy said, hey man, what do you think about Apple hitting that 1 trillion cap, man? That's crazy. That's crazy. You know, that's probably an indication that the market will crash soon. Not like next month, but probably a year or so from now. I mean, this market is so bullish, it's ridiculous. I remember listening to that same guy. He said that crypto market is irrational, and he can't understand it, and that's every market. That's every market. It's irrational, and you just can't you don't know what's going on unless you study the charts. So if you look at gold, most people thought gold was going to go up crazy, but going on what? Probably a decade. Gold had been doing really, it's not doing anything. So you just have to not get too excited, and don't think that you know everything and you think things is just going to the moon. If you have any questions, let me know. If you on this live stream, he's going to yeah. I mean, I'm quite sure you guys you probably know the guy. You probably definitely know the YouTuber. I'm not going to say his name. If I'm saying XRP, you should know who the YouTuber is. Guys, if you don't have this course, let me give you that discount for you guys don't have this. Shout out to my man Keith. I don't see him on the live stream, but shout out to you if you're listening. So if you don't have this course, I just gave you the discount. This is the same course that everyone is talking about right now. And it will basically show you how to be a professional, how to make money right now in this current market. Most people are losing money right now in the current market, and me and my subscribers are making money in this current market. So it's up to you. I actually recently took this short right here, made money. A lot of my subscribers took a lot of shorts on Tron, XRP, Ethereum. So how do we know that the market is going down? That's why you need to get the course. It will show you everything step by step. And, once you get it, you understand we are in the bear market. It's everything is just pointing down. And as soon as I get off this live stream, it's going right back up to 210. Let me see if I see any questions here. You said sad to say, but XRP will go even lower. Yeah, man, I know. It's sad because they're gonna keep on buying. That guy has a lot of loyal subscribers. So whatever he say, they're gonna listen to him. So if he tell the guys, listen, to keep buying these XRP, they're gonna keep buying it. Yeah, man. Let me see if I see any questions. So if you have any questions, if you are new to the channel, I've been doing this for 11 years, so let me know if you have any questions. If you feel Bitcoin is going to bounce, if you feel that it's going to go down more, let me know. I'm about to get off the stream soon, so. Hey, what's going on, Leslie Savage? Good to see you here. So basically, is Bitcoin going to 11K? Right now, I don't see that. Only reason why I don't see that because the amount of sellers came in at this key level. And we sold off for like a good 7 days straight. So that's a lot of days straight. I know a lot of people want to buy at this area. So guess what? Usually the majority is wrong. Usually the majority is wrong, so most likely we will consolidate a little bit more and break down to the low. You said it's amazing how delusional some of these YouTubers are. Exactly. I can't believe it either myself. I can't believe it when I heard some YouTubers said we are in a bull market, guys. I couldn't believe it. You know, even the people that's losing money, they were some. You know, most of these guys will admit we in a bear market. Okay, but a YouTuber saying that we in a bull market, we lost over what 500 or 600 billion off the market cap. How that's a bull market? You know, come on, guys. Let's be serious. Yeah, the volume is not there. Yep. Hey, what's going on, old dog? You said this is a good time in the UK live stream. I normally miss it. Yeah, shout out to you, old dog. Thanks a lot for coming through. So Ernest says, should I pass on XRP? Ernest, are you looking to buy XRP? That's what you're trying to say? Are you looking to buy XRP, Ernest? Let me see if I see any more questions. Let me see. Crypto Inspo said, XRP crashed for me. I want to short you like a fat kid. What's ice cream? Oh, man. Marcus said, do you think XRP will hit the all-time high again? We'll see. It's going to take a lot of energy. Like I said before, guys, a lot of these coins are straight up, you know, garbage, and a lot of these coins are going to zero. It's just what it is. Let me see. Crypto Inspo said, "Don't wait, get Ben's course. I wish I bought the course in January. I found out about when I found him. He said, don't be that guy who keeps losing money." Shout out to Crypto Inspo. Let me hear that cha-ching button for him. Crypto Inspo is actually one of my students that bought the course, and he made money off of XRP yesterday, shorting it. So if you want to learn how to short, and this is a good course because it shows you how to make money in both markets. Right now we're going down, so I will show you how to make money going down. But once we go up, you get the best of both worlds. So you know how to make money in both markets. But XRP right now is going down, and it looks like it's trying to continue to go down. Yeah, but not sure after listening. Yes, Ernest. Right now this is not a buyer's market. You know, from outside looking in, yes. You know, if you don't know anything about the market, yes, of course, this definitely looks like a buyer market, right? If you if you see XRP at 40 cents, and you say, wow, that's low. But I've been doing this so long to tell you that, you know, this doesn't look good, and it looks like we are going to continue to go down lower. Okay. So buying at these levels are, to me, dangerous, like real dangerous, you know. And I definitely I tell people, have respect for your money. Have respect for your money. You know, why would you buy dips right now in the bear market? I know that you probably hear it from a lot of YouTubers. They say buy dips, but in this bull market, I mean bear market, is a very, very, very dangerous thing. You have to understand that these YouTubers are not making money from investing full time. They're not doing this full time. They make their living from basically making videos, okay, and pushing ICOs on you. Some of them get 25 or 3K or 5K a pop. So every time they review those ICOs, they getting 3K, 5K for that. Okay, and then plus those ICO guys, they tell them what to say. So you have to understand that these guys don't know what they're talking about. They've been telling you to buy these dips ever since January. Okay, now it's going on 8 months. So 8 straight months, the market has been going down. So you have to understand that once we in the bear market, it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. It's usually it lasts for years. So you just have to wait. At least look for more confirmation before you buy anything. And if you want to learn how to make money in this current market, just play these swings, okay? Play the swings in this market. That's the best. This is the best way to make money this year. That's why I told you, don't listen to these YouTubers, because they don't understand how to make money. They think using the same strategy from 2017 will work in 2018. It's not going to work. Okay, you have to use different strategies for different markets. Unfortunately, we are in the bear market, and the best way to extract money consistently out of a bear market is to play these swings. That's it. So if you don't know how to do that, then basically get this course right now. This is only 110, and when I get off my live stream, it's going to go back to 210. So that's your best bet. And that's anybody that's watching, that's your best bet. You can ask anybody that's on this live stream. This is what they've been doing. But XRP right now is just, it looks sad. And I told you guys that when we had that pump from BTC and these altcoins was looking weak, I said, man, XRP looks like it's flagging. And not only XRP, a lot of these coins look like they was flagging. Okay, XRP dropped. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, we have resistance right here. It dropped. It wiped out all its gains. We had, remember that crazy run we had, and it dropped, wiped out all the gains, and it started consolidating. And I said, guys, this looks like a flag. It looks like it wants to continue to go back down. Sure enough, that's what it did. It broke this flag and started consolidating a little bit more, right? I think XRP actually had some news right here. I think that's why it popped up like that. And then it started to form some type of triangle right here. Lovely. I mean, this is like picture perfect. Okay, if you go on Google and type in triangles, this would be a picture classic textbook triangle. I mean, like, this is screamy. XRP saying, short me now. That's what XRP is saying, okay? It's screaming, short me, right? It's screaming that. I mean, this is a picture perfect short pattern that was basically going down, okay? So it is what it is. You have to understand we are in the bear market, and that's what goes on in the bear market. We just continue to go lower. Let's see if I see any questions before I get out of here. But shout out to everybody that's here. Let me hit that round of applause. Let me see. Dom said XRP next stop is 34 cents. What's going on, Leslie Savage? Let me see. Ernest said, been watching other YouTubers saying different things that's going to skyrocket. Exactly. And you have to understand that these other YouTubers are not doing this full time. Okay, they are YouTubers. Understand, YouTubers. That's it. That's how they make their money. They make their money. Okay, let me tell you how the news make their money. The news make their money by headlines. Okay, headlines. The best headline will get a lot of views. Okay, so these YouTubers, they have to sit down, practice, and come up with headlines that are very juicy, and they know that most people will click on their videos. Okay, so if I made a lot of moon videos and XRP going to $50, or you know, Ethereum going to 3,000 or something like that, trust me, I'll probably get way more views than I get right now. But I do this for a hobby, and these other guys, they do it for a living. Okay, so when you hear them say XRP is about to go to the moon, that's because that's what they know that you want to hear. Okay, they know that you want to hear that stuff, so that's why they give it to you. So you can't listen to these dudes. Put it like this. This is the last thing I'm gonna say. Okay, don't listen to a guy that don't know how to make money in this current market. That's just plain and simple. Okay, that's the way I can just, you know, that's the best way to say it. Don't listen to a guy that don't know how to make money in this current market. Okay, I took a short right here not too long ago, made money on this current market. My students are making money. So any YouTuber that's claiming that we are going to the moon or whatever, buy these dips, you shouldn't listen to that guy, because he don't know how to make money in the current market. Okay, so let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. You said, I don't know how to read none of this. Will your program teach you? Yes, my program will teach you everything step by step. Beginners that just came into crypto and into the crypto market are making money just by listening to my course. You can go to the testimonials right here. This is my female subscriber. She made over $400, and she came on here not too long ago. Says she keep on making money. Just go through my testimonials. You see people making money. Okay, this is not me talking. You know, it's just proof. Okay, my top student made 21,000 in a week. Okay, so people are making money right now. That's the key. Right now is the key. Okay, we don't want to wait for the bulls to come back, because we don't know when the bulls are gonna come back. Okay, we don't know. It might be another 2 years. It might be another 5 years. It might be another 8 years. Okay, we don't have time to be waiting. So it will show you everything step by step. If you can, if you just listen to videos, if you learn how to, do things step by step, it's a lot of money out here. So let me copy and paste that link to anybody that don't have this course. Basically, when I get off this live stream, it's going right back up to 210. So it's up to you. I don't force anybody to get this course. It's up to you. Let me see if I see anything. Crypto Inspo said, I hear you, bro, but everybody got to get Ben course determined and dedicated. You'll get the money back. Shout out to you, Dom. Thanks a lot. Nick said, we need calculations before reversal until with no new money. Yeah, exactly. So we need new money. Exactly, Nick. We need new money to come in. Right now is no new money. If you go to crypto, if you go to Google Trends, type in cryptocurrencies, it's really it's not, the hype is not there no more. So we need that hype again. Let me see if I see anything. Hey, what's going on, Keith? Shout out to Keith. Shout out to Keith, man. Thanks a lot. He said he's at work listening. Have a good day, guys. Get the course if you are new here. Shout out to Keith. Thanks a lot, man. Let me see what else. Marky said, you think XRP long hold is now a bad idea? Honestly, I can't look so, far in the future. I can't look so far in the future. So, I don't know what XRP is going to do 3-4 years from now. Right now, it's weak like everyone else. And you have to understand, guys, for you guys that's new to my channel and you just think I'm just talking, first of all, you see that my students is making money. That's number one. But number two, you have to understand that none in the market is guaranteed. So for all you guys that think that your coin has to go right back up to the highs, that's the wrong way to think. Nothing is guaranteed. So let me show you a screenshot before I get out of here of the market back in the day. I don't know where. Oh yeah, I think it's this right here. And I show this, here and there. I show this. This is when the market was basically the top of the market when it was crashing. Okay, it was about to crash back in 2013. Look at the first page of CoinMarketCap. You see Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ripple. And the other coins, you don't know none of these coins. None of these coins is probably around, or if they're around, they not, doing anything. Okay. So you have to understand that just because you buy and hold, it doesn't mean it's 100% guaranteed. I always show this coin right here, PPC, right? Right now is at what, 171. If you type it in right now, is at, let's see, 5 years later is at 188. Okay, so you only made what, a 17 cents. 5 years later, you made 17 cents. So, this is why me personally, I focus on these short-term swings because I can tell what's going to happen probably in a day or two versus what's going to happen 5, 8, 10 years from now. Okay. And when I'm in and out like this in the move, that means that I don't have to worry. Okay. I don't have to worry too much. So I don't know what XRP is going to do. I don't know if it's going to be a bad hold or a good hold. But all I can say is if you're trying to put all your life savings in these coins, just be careful because we don't know what these coins are going to do later on, and maybe try to figure out how to play these swings in the market because that's making you money right now. So why not do that? Let me see. Hey, what's going on, Antoine? What's going on? Let me see if I see any questions here before I get out of here. Tim, are we going down like the Titanic? Oh man. We'll see. Right now we're at a key level, so I think that we might consolidate. But even if we do go up a little bit, most likely it's temporarily. Just be careful. You have to understand this market is weak right now. If this was bullish, it shouldn't. A lot of these sellers shouldn't be there like that. But we'll see. If you are new to my stream, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm reading these questions. Tim said, "Hi, Kalam here. In from India. You told you before 2 months salary. Yeah, I hear you, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it." Ronja said, Tron. What about it? Will XRP go down? Support level? Yeah, XRP right now, it looks like it's trying to head to this breakout right here. Okay, so this last breakout was around 30 cents, 29 cents. So that it looks like it's trying to go back to this breakout area. We have a lot of room for XRP to go down. But that's just one stop. You have to understand that when I say it's just it go down here, that doesn't mean that's the bottom. Okay, that's just mean that's just one stop. It can go much lower than that. Let me see. Bobby said the course is an eye opener, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah, TJ, you emailed me about the Discord. Okay. When you emailed me just right now? What's going on, David? Yeah, anybody that got this course, if you pick it up today or if you have it in the past, just email me, send me proof that you got the course, and I will send you the Discord link so you can chat with other students. I'm reading these questions. I'm about to get out of here in the next 2 minutes. You say Trump propped up crude oil, keeping an eye on it since Jaffax. What do you think? Yeah, I think oil is probably going to go in the bull market. So, I think it's going to continue to go up. I definitely think oil is going to continue to go up. So we're going to see interest rates go up. We're going to see gas prices go up. It's going to be ugly, man. I'm telling you, the next recession is going to be ugly. This is why I tell people, try to work on your short-term money-making skills so you won't have to, suffer in that recession, because a lot of people are going to lose a lot of jobs. Everything is going to go up. Food prices, interest rate, your mortgage, your credit cards, everything is going to go up. Let me see. BJ said, bought your course yesterday and digging it now. Thanks for putting it together. No problem, man. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot, BJ, for buying the course. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel, man. Appreciate it. Hit these likes button. I'm about to get out of here. If you have any questions, let me know. You said you won't. Travis, what's going on? Travis said you won't have a thing if you don't play those swings. Travis trying to rap right now. You trying to rap? If we go up the next level of resistance, if we go up the next level of resistance for BTC is two places. It's at like around here, this area right here, which is, it starts around like 72. Yeah, it starts around 72. And then we have this one right here, which is around 75, 76. So those are the two levels. But we'll see if we go back to these areas. We'll see. So guys, thanks a lot for coming through though, guys. Shout out to Crypto Inspo for making this money. It's good to see you making money, Crypto Inspo. And not only Crypto Inspo, anybody that's making money in this current market, is good to see you guys making this money, because a lot of people just don't know how. They think everything is just, we buy and we just hope, okay? That's the wrong mentality to have. I'm telling you, a lot of these YouTubers, I'm telling you right now, man, they don't care about you. It's just what it is. That's why they keep pushing ICOs. They know that these ICOs are not going to make you money, but they keep pushing it on you, okay? They keep saying we're going to the moon ever since January, okay? If your current YouTuber don't know how to make money, in this current market right now, that means that he's a rookie. He got lucky last year. Everybody thought it was a genius last year, but this year is a totally different market, and that's why you have to adjust. You have to adjust in these markets. If you don't adjust, you're going to complain like everyone else. Going to complain like everyone else. But anyway, guys, thanks for coming through. I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see anything. Man, I'm craving for setups on the charts. Shout out to Dom. I hear you, man. Yeah, I think you're right, old dog. I think it's gonna affect the world. It's not gonna just be in the United States. It's gonna be overall around the world. A lot of these banks is gonna fail again because a lot of people are in debt. So it's just what it is. I talk about that later on, but I'm about to get out of here, guys. Thanks a lot, Crypto Inspo. Thanks a lot, Keith. Thanks a lot, Dom. Thanks a lot, old dog, Booker. Everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot, Travis, Mr. Sandy. Everybody, guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Like I said, if you don't have this course, check it out. The link is above. Thanks a lot for coming through, and I'll see you guys later. Just be careful. If you're trying to, buy this market right now, it's not a buyer's market, it's a seller's market. It's been like that ever since January, so just be careful, guys. Don't let these guys trick you. Stay safe, and talk to you guys later.